Welcome back to the channel. Today it is finally time to move the 1948 Keller Super Chief to her new home. So as you can see, the Junkyard Shop looks like a total disaster. It's because I'm moving everything to my new shop, and for the time being my new shop is starting to kind of look like a disaster because I'm trying to move very quickly. So I'm trying to kind of organize stuff as I put it in the new shop, but I don't really have enough time to fully put everything, and I don't have the shipping containers there yet. I don't have the pad poured for the shipping containers, so I'm really just stuffing everything into the large building, and I'm kind of sorting it. So everything, once I get the shipping containers, I'll start sorting everything once it's already, it's all over there and I'm out of here 100%. So what I need to do today is I have a rotisserie for the Keller Super Chief. I'll put the frame on the rotisserie. This is from Olympic. It was actually pretty cheap, which is kind of crazy. So these are like 1,600 bucks, but if you go on Facebook Marketplace, you can find completely destroyed used ones for like 1,600 to 2 grand. So just buy a brand new rotisserie. It is worth it in the long run. So I have a brand new Olympic rotisserie, and then we'll get all these pieces like the front cowl, front windshield, all that stuff into the trailer, and then all of the miscellaneous stuff, axle, seats, transmission, everything for the car, plus a few other things like the Conoco sign I'll put in there. I wanted to take it a little bit sooner, but we have all the aluminum fenders and hoods, and I want to transport everything so nothing is going to get damaged or ruined. This whole pile right here all cleared out of Keller Super Chief parts, and I also got the Conoco sign over at the shop. I had to go get my driver's license renewed because it expired yesterday. But now what I need to do is I need to put this rotisserie together, and I got this Olympic rotisserie probably about a year ago, and I got this for many reasons. So I was looking for one on Facebook Marketplace, and they're all like the same price as just buying a brand new one. So all the ones I saw that were beat to hell on Facebook Marketplace, everybody wanted like $1,200, $1,400, $1,600, and this brand new was $1,600. So I just bought it, shipped here, and this thing should go together really nice. It also has these ridiculous casters on it, so I'm never gonna have to worry about it getting stuck. Like some of the ones I saw on Facebook Marketplace, they had like the little tiny Harbor Freight ones. But yeah, this thing should be a beast, and I'm going to use it for a bunch of different things. I'm going to use it for the Keller Super Chief. I'm also going to use it for the Pulsar GTIR, so I can flip it over and do all the floor rust repair, and then also the painting and all the undercoating of the floor on the Pulsar GTR, and plenty of other cars. I thought it was just a really good idea to have one of these. So let's get everything out of the box. It was sitting outside for like 6 months, so it's a little bit dusty from sitting, but it's all powder coated, really good quality, and I think it'll last pretty much for the rest of my life. So let's get it all together.
hopefully that one's the right way. It should be.
Yeah. Oh.
Really? Pretty strong.
They think a car's gonna.
That mine don't have that. This is a bunch of fine tuning crap.
Yeah, but I mean, they think this is gonna hold the weight of a car.
Yeah.
That piece, like, there's no weight on it.
Mine,
4,000 pounds on this.
I just have giant bolts where I tighten mine when I lift these up or down, and then I have these pins like these.
Mm-hmm. That one that has a huge drop off.
Maybe I missed it. I don't know.
We're gonna follow this van right here.
Another tow truck would do that. I mean,
yeah. Oh, it's gonna be that jump. It's 100%. They're taking this van over the jump.
exactly where we went.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that shitty road. Watch, they're gonna turn. No?
Yep.
No way.
I must have missed a corner. I don't know. Unless you had to go right.
There's cinder, there's concrete. Remember, we went both ways. Here, I just sit here. Just see which way she goes.
She's going the other way. So I went that way.
I think you went both ways.
Think she goes both ways?
Oh.
That ain't so bad. Should have told her to move all the trash out of the way.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. I'm shining on the hill. Jesus. There's a hill. Oh, okay. They look so much worse at night sometimes.
Yeah.
Is that a big rock or is that trash?
Somebody's home.
It's like the road's right.
Well, that's what I thought what we were going to be doing.
What the fuck?
Crawls over and shit like a cockroach.
Yeah, I know.
Now this is the worst part.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you think you can make that? Okay.
We'll find out.
You get stuck. believe we're fucking back there. Put your... Dude, what the fuck is going on here? It's so muddy right here. Back up there. Where?
It's just right over here.
We have to back into it.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Chris loaded it, I helped, but yeah, he just wanted the rear bed stuff for his goal. All the Keller stuff is in the trailer, and we have a crew cab Chevy on the tow truck. There's Chris up there with the crew cab Chevy, and this truck's actually really nice. 6.6 Duramax. He did a ton of work to this thing though. It's like fully built, tuned. The wheel looks like it's gonna fall off of that truck. Oh man. Should I get him? Think he's ever seen his truck driving? Another load of bumpers, trunks, interior, seats, and also a Camaro. Chris's Camaro. He actually got this for the front subframe for a car he's building for his daughter. So we'll probably pull this thing all the way apart one of these days, but we're gonna drop all this stuff off and hopefully get another load. I loaded the whole pickup box full of transmissions for all the projects, and it was kind of a pain. The R33 GTR transmission is probably the heaviest transmission out of everything in here. And then we have a bunch of differentials. And on the back of the rollback is Chris's Camaro. And that thing, he just finished painting the engine bay. This is going to be a little bit of change of pace on the project, since we were gonna throw the LS in it and now we're gonna throw something else in it. But yeah, this should be a quick load. And this will probably be the last load that we do today, because tomorrow it is going to, and I think pretty soon it's going to start snowing. So we'll get all this stuff busted out and then ready to go. I think you need to go that way a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Hey Chris, what do you think?
I think we're having Chinese for dinner.
You ever blown a tranny?
That's a lot of Chinese that we're into to blow.
All right, so me and Chris have finished moving for, it's been a couple weeks of moving, and the shop definitely looks like a disaster, but there is a lot more room than there was in the other shop because I have all the cars inside now, right?
Yep.
All of them are inside, except for the Camaro and the Subaru and a bunch of trucks and all that crap outside that really doesn't matter. So what I need to do is I need to get some shipping containers, and then I need to get some lifts to resolve some of these storage issues, because most of the stuff is going to go in shipping containers, especially all the stuff that I'm selling. So there's a bunch of transmissions over there for projects, but there's also a few Hellcat trannies and then a few like SXT Charger transmissions that I'm selling. Plus a bunch of this other stuff over there, and we have all the Keller stuff right there. We should be good once we get some containers, but there's still a lot of stuff to move.
There is. I'm already tired.
Yeah. But Chris has been helping me out, so we're going to be building that Camaro soon. Actually, we've been building it, but plans have changed, right? Maybe.
Plans are changing. Hopefully we do it like 3 cars now instead of just the one, is my plan.
Yeah. So we're not putting an LS in a Camaro anymore, but we'll get I need to get the turbo on the Conquest, and then that'll go in the other building, and I might put a few cars back outside just for the time being so I could get lifts installed and kind of organize and put some more parts in here, just so there's a little bit more room. Then I could put all 3 lifts there, and I'll probably just start with 1 4-post back there, and then kind of just fill that back area with 4 posts once I have more money to buy them. We'll see. But other than that, I think that's going to be the end of this video. If you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, throw a comment below. And as always, hopefully we're done moving the next video. Right, Chris? Hopefully. I think we will be. We're going to leave a bunch of stuff, all like the interior and stuff, in the trailer in the last load. But as always, see you guys next time.